North Korea, one of the world's most secretive nations, has just opened doors to some breathtaking tourist destinations in 2025, and you've probably never seen them before. Why North Korea is opening up in 2025. As North Korea slowly steps into the spotlight, 2025 marks a major shift. The government has eased some travel restrictions and partnered with select international agencies to open new sites for guided tours, all part of a tourism initiative to boost foreign relations and economy. Mount Myeohyang National Park, now open to foreign tourists. First on the list is Mount Myeohyang. Once limited to local visitors, this stunning mountain range is now open to foreigners. Tourists can hike, explore the 1,000-year-old Pohyan Temple, and stay in eco-lodges built in 2025. The Wonsan coastal area, imagine white sand beaches in North Korea? Yes, the Wonsan Kalma coastal zone has undergone major renovations. In 2025, it reopened with luxury beachfront hotels, seafood markets, and even paragliding tours. Samjian, the new alpine city. Next up, Samjian, a modern alpine city near Mount Paektu. This winter paradise features ski resorts, cable cars, and a brand new cultural center. It's part of North Korea's plan to attract adventure and winter sports enthusiasts. Kaesong Historical Complex. History buffs, this one's for you. Kaesong, once the capital of ancient Korea, now welcomes tourists to explore its UNESCO World Heritage Sites, with authentic performances and guided heritage walks. But what about the rules? Of course, visiting North Korea still means following strict rules. All tourists must be accompanied by government-approved guides, photography is limited, and independent exploration is not allowed. Love it or hate it, North Korea's tourism game is changing. Whether it's pristine nature, untouched history, or pure curiosity, 2025 offers travelers a rare glimpse into a hidden world. Would you ever visit North Korea? Comment below and share your thoughts. And if you enjoyed this rare peek, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more off-the-map destinations.